here is how you can trade on IQ options. Now, IQ options is one of the top 3 best binary option broker in the world. And if you're using this platform, there are key things you need to know and understand. You can have an advanced interface and you can have a completely beginners friendly interface. The first thing I am sure you should have noticed in this video is that I am using the web version, iqoption.com, and not the application. And I'm going to tell you why. If you download the application, it is going to require that you always landscape your phone before taking trades. And the interface, of course, is more advanced. But this one is very basic and it is easy to understand. So let me walk you through it. If you haven't registered on IQ Options, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Remember, you have to treat this seriously. It is money we are talking about. If you're serious about making money in the year 2026, then follow me closely. You want to subscribe to my channel and do the things that I say. Now let's go. On the interface at the top of the screen, what you're seeing is account balance. You're seeing demo accounts. Don't worry, I'm going to walk us through everything and even make a deposit right here. Okay. Now, this is the pair. This right here is the pair. And we are trading Euro USD. That's what it means. You can always change this by tapping on it and then you search. This is the search bar up here. All right. You can search for whatever you want to trade. One very good thing about IQ options is that there are so many pairs, thousands of pairs for you to trade. And subsequently, I'm going to teach you how to pick the best one to trade per time, because it is also going to help your win rate. You can see on the screen, we have binary here and we have the Blitz. Now, if you go to binary, you have changed contracts. You have gone into something else entirely. And I'm also going to explain that. But for the sake of this video, if you're trading binary options, this is what you want to use. I mean, the one that would allow you set your own deal duration. Please use Blitz. All right. Now, up here, like I said, you can search for the pair. Say we want to trade euro dollar, EUR USD. There are 2 contracts you would see. We have the OTC and we have the euro dollar traditional price or market. The OTC is outside the counter when the main market is closed, like weekends that the main euro USD market is closed. You can have this contract, and it is also very nice to trade OTC, which I am also going to explain. But let's take it one step at a time. But I want you to understand here that this one, euro dollar, is the main traditional market. This one is the OTC, which mimics the price movement of the markets. So this chart you're seeing is the same thing you would see on trading view, on Olympics, on pocket option, expert option. Is the same thing as long as it is the same pair. All right. Now on the screen you'll see these things moving. They are candlesticks, basic stuff you should go learn. I believe you should be familiar with them. At the left side of the screen, you're going to see 5 seconds and candlestick there. If you tap on it, you can change the time frame which the candlesticks appear. You can do 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I always like to do my analysis here on 1 minute and 5 minutes. And if you don't know why, you should go watch my previous video. So let's put on 30 seconds. And by the way, there are lines here, shadows. In case yours is showing any of this, you should know how to change them. So lines, for example, you will see the chart looking like this, a line. If we go back there, line with shadow, you will see the chart looking like this. So if yours is looking like this, don't be confused. You can change it at any time. Okay, so we are back to candlestick. Now, the second icon you would see by the left is your charts analysis and indicators. So these are indicators. We have different types of indicators. In case you hear me say add MACD or add RSI to your chart, this is where you come. Right? This script, all right, I have a script already. I have made a video on how you can add scripts to your IQ options and take signals. These scripts, I have written them. I've written it myself and I have shared it for free. It tells you buy and sell on the chart, and you can just follow. Like this current buy, we expect the market to go up based on the duration, and there are some confirmations that I've also explained. So if you want to learn how to use this, I have provided a detailed video about it, and I've also given the script out for free. All you need to do is just, when you get to this script, you paste it here and apply. So let's remove this for now. I don't want it on the charts, and go back. Yeah. So we have successfully touched on these two things. Now let's do the third one, the third icon. This third icon is your chart interval, and it automatically changes as you zoom in and zoom out. Okay, see, it changes. So if you zoom in, it changes. You don't need to bother about that one. Now below the screen, you're seeing time, you're seeing amounts, low and high. What are these things and how are they going to help you make money? Let me explain. 5 minutes means your deal duration is going to be for 5 minutes. For example, if I change this 5 minutes to say 1 minute, okay, which I think is the least here. This is the least. 1 minute is the least deal duration you can use. And I go into high. I just tapped on this high here. And the amount you can see here is $10. So if I zoom in, you are going to see this is $10. This, I have entered a trade, and my speculation is that it should go up. If it remains above this my entry in the next 1 minute, I am going to make this. Okay, I'm going to make it. This is the amount I'll make, $18.4. Remember, I went into this trade with $10. If it remains above my buy for 1 minute, I'm going to make 18.4. How much is my profit? 8.4. That 8.4, this is the percentage. 84% of $10 is 8.4. So always look at this percentage. All right, this is the percentage here. Now, with this explanation, you should already know that this is your expiration time for each trade, and this is where you put the amount. So once you enter a trade, the amount you can see has been deducted. Good, I won this trade. All right, if you look at the account now, I have added $8.4. $8.4 is more than 10,000 naira. So this is real. This is, we're not joking here, or we're not wasting time. You have to, deliberately put in that energy to master how the market works and how to get the best entry. You don't necessarily need to wait for the price to go up, from here to this point before you make money. That is what makes this special from the Forex futures market. This one, it works strictly with deal duration. If you do a low, it means you are speculating, or you are saying the price will come down within 1 minute or the minute you are using. If you say high, it means you are speculating that the price would go up within, and how much you are using for that trade, you put it here. So you can always increase or reduce it. Okay. Now, we are done with the basic things you need to know on IQ options. By now, I believe we are all registered. And don't forget, you can register and get some bonuses with my link if I have not said that before. Now, you see plus at the top screen here. If you tap on it, you can add more pairs. What I said about this binary is, under this binary, if we search for Euro USD and we go for it, you see that it is now showing binary. The difference between this binary and the Blitz we just traded is that on the time, it is already preset. What it means is that if you look at the top of the screen, the time is 10:40. But the time here, trade would close at 10:41, 10:42, 10:43, 10:44, 10:40. It is preset. So you cannot say, okay, I want to enter trade now that would close in 1 minute, like you put 1 minute here. No, you cannot put 1 minute here. It is set. So all you need to do is check the expiration. Okay, let me practically do what I'm saying. Let's say $10, and this trade is going to close. Let me put, you see, there is no longer 10:41 because it is almost 10:41. Are you with me? So if I say I want to trade for 1 minute, I will just have to wait for 10:41. Then I would enter this trade. But let's just go a high. It is 10:41 already. This is a high. So I just entered $10 with a high. This trade is going to close at 10:42, which is already stated here. But I am not the one that puts in that time. It is already set. You understand? So we would wait for it. As soon as it is 10:41, the trade will close. So that is the major difference between the binary option here and the Blitz. At the Blitz, you are setting your own deal duration, how long you want it to take. But here, it does by itself. I think from pair to pair, it changes, because I was looking for 30 seconds and 45 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. So yes, it changes from pair to pair. And trust me, for this binary, there are moments that you will not see a 2-minute trade. There are moments you will not see a 3-minute trade, because it changes. And that inconsistency actually makes me rather trade on the Blitz, just so you understand. By the way, as you're looking at this, you're seeing a percentage return, 88%, 87, 87. It means when you take any trade on this pair, Ondo, you are going to make 88% as profit. Like if you win it. So let's do low, for example, for 30 seconds with $1. If I win this, I am going to make $88. Is it 88? Sorry. 0.88. Remember the previous trade we took and we won. What we got was 8.4. Because this one is 88%, we would have gotten 8.8. So that is just the little margin there. All right. Now, let's go to the main business of the day. How do you deposit and how do you make money here? If you're new here, you're very welcome. Like I always say, options is not the same with your Forex market. So if you are a Forex trader or if you have a knowledge about Forex trading, just put it aside and learn what works now. It is the opportunity. Okay, let's go ahead to make deposits. Say this is your first time depositing. This is how you do it. You go to the top right of the screen. By the way, let me give us a bonus tip. You can install this on your phone to make it easier for you. If you do install here, it is going to ask you to add IQ option to your home screen. This is the best. I already mentioned I prefer to use this than to landscape my phone. So you might want to try it. Just got it, and it has been added to the home page. Now, if you want to deposit, you go to this wallet, right? And you're going to see deposits. You're going to see deposit here. Let's do deposits. You're going to see different payments method. I always would prefer to do transfers, right? But depend on your region anyways. If you want to do with card, if you want to do with Bitcoin or crypto, this is USDT, Ripple, very easy, simple to use. You go, the minimum you can deposit here has already been said, 17,000 naira. So there is 22,500, there is 40. Well, if you want to make reasonable money, trust me, you won't be depositing small money because how much you deposit depends on how much you are going to earn. But for a start, if you are a beginner, then it's okay. You can deposit 22 or even 17. But I recommend if you want to start trading seriously, you should deposit from either 45 or 100 and then you take it serious as a business. All right. If you need a promo code, you can also check below this video. I'm going to provide you a promo code that just gives a bonus, like doubles your deposit for you, something like that. If you do deposits, they are going to generate an account for you, and this account would last for a few minutes. You can see, note that the payments by bank transfer must be completed within 30 minutes. Otherwise, the fund will not be credited to your account, and you will need to provide the POP, that's the proof of payment receipt, for the funds to be credited. So you must, once you proceed from here and they give you an account, you should make the payments within 30 minutes, right? So see this one now. All I need to do is just tap copy here, and I've copied the account. I'm sending 22,500, and as soon as you send this, it reflects in a matter of seconds or minutes. So it is straightforward, and there is no confusion here. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. If you need strategies or you need ways to make money, you can join my Telegram channel. I am going to be dropping daily tips and even signals that you can take here.